as it is a very good question, therefore I will do it in many ways. You have to remember this formula that A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. This is equal to 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. It's not difficult to remember the result if you know the way of opening this determinant by star method. By star method, it is very clear without doing any calculation. Directly I can say the result after opening this determinant will be this. And what is star method? That I have explained in my video lecture of theory of determinant. And sometimes this formula is used in this way also, that A, B, C and BCA here and CAB here. It is ABC, BCA, CAB, but here ABC, BCA is here, CAB is here. Automatically it is very much clear that the value of this will be A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, because these two rows I have got after interchanging these two rows. Otherwise, by star method also it is very easy to see without doing any calculation. Directly I can say the result will be this. The star method of opening the determinant is a very important way of opening the determinant, and presently this question is in this form. You can see very easily it is ABC and BCA CAB. That is, this determinant is in this form. Also note that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, and this is equal to A plus B plus C into half of A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. You must have studied this in lower classes, and keeping this result in mind, I am going to take this as A, this as B and this as C. The result will be equal to x minus 4 plus 2x plus 2x into half of. Now it is clear, further it is A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Therefore I will get x minus 4 minus 2x whole square plus 2x minus 2x whole square plus 2x minus x minus 4 whole square. This is equal to 5x minus 4 into half of, it is x plus 4 whole square plus 0 square plus again x plus 4 whole square. That is 5x minus 4 into x plus 4 whole square, and comparing this result with the given result, that is writing it equal to a plus bx into x minus a whole square it is very easy to see that the value of A is minus 4 and the value of B is 5. This is one way of doing this question. The second possible way is use the property that C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. We get the given determinant as 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4, 2x, x minus 4 and 2x, 2x, 2x and x minus 4. And now taking 5x minus 4 common from first column, I get 5x minus 4 into 1, 1, 1, 2x, x minus 4 and 2x, 2x, 2x and x minus 4. And now using the row transformation that R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1, I reach at 5x minus 4 into 1, 0, 0, 2x, 2x minus 4 minus x, 0, 0 and minus 4 minus x. This is equal to 5x minus 4 into x plus 4 whole square after opening this determinant by first column and comparing the result with the given result as a plus bx into x minus a whole square. It is very easy to see that the value of a is minus 4 and the value of b is 5. And now I am going to do this question by one more way. In this way, according to right hand side, it is clear that a is the twice repeated root of this equation on right hand side. That is, a is the twice repeated root of this. It is clear that if I take the value of a as minus 4, it is clear that a is the twice repeated root of right hand side. That is, I can say a is twice repeated root of left hand side. And you can see very easily the possible values of a are minus 4, minus 4, 4 and minus 4. Means according to choices, the value of a can be either 4 or minus 4. But note that a being the root of this, I have to check whether minus 4 is a root of this equation or not. It is clear that by putting x equal to minus 4, all these 3 will become minus 8, all these minus 8, all these are minus 8. That is, by putting x equal to minus 4, the left hand side is becoming 0. Hence, minus 4 is the root of this equation. But also note that by taking x equal to minus 4, all the 3 columns are becoming same. If by taking x equal to minus 4, 2 columns are becoming same, or by taking x equal to minus 4, 3 columns are becoming same, both these information imply that minus 4 is the root of this. But the point to be noted is, if by putting x equal to minus 4, two columns become same, it surely means that minus 4 is at least one's root of the equation. If by taking x equal to minus 4, three columns are becoming same, that also means minus 4 is the root. But if three columns are becoming same, it means minus 4 is at least twice repeated root of this equation. Hence I can say a is minus 4. Now I will do this question by third way. To do this question by this method, it is clear that the roots of right hand side are a and minus a by b, and it is also clear that a is twice repeated root of right hand side. That is, I have to check which two numbers are roots of this equation. Let us take first possibility. According to this possibility, the value of a is minus 4. By taking a equal to minus 4, these three elements become minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. Here also minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. Here also minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. That is, all the three columns become same. That is, the value of determinant will become 0 by taking the value of x as minus 4. But the point to be noted is, because by taking x equal to minus 4, three columns are becoming same, it means minus 4 is at least twice repeated root of the given determinant. If by taking x equal to minus 4, only two columns become same, from there I can conclude that minus 4 is at least one's root of that determinant. If in some higher order determinant, by taking x equal to minus 4, four columns become same, it means I will be able to say that that number is at least thrice repeated root of that determinant. You have to remember this concept. And because here clear that by taking x equal to minus 4, three columns are becoming same. Hence I can say minus 4 is twice repeated root of this equation. Hence obviously the value of a is minus 4. And once a is found, you have to find the value of b. Again, to find the value of b, it is very easy to see that b is the coefficient of x cube on right hand side. That is, b is the coefficient of maximum power of x. Hence, I try to find the coefficient of x cube in left hand side also. And because the star method of opening the determinant is clear to me, keeping the star method in mind, I can easily say that coefficient of x cube will be 1 plus 8 plus 8 minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is, the coefficient of x cube will be 5. How I have written this thing? This will be clear only if you are clear about the concept of star method that I have already explained in my theory lecture of determinant. Hence I can say B is the correct choice. And now I will do the question by fourth way. The fourth way of doing this question is to find the value of A, because it is clear that this is a expanded form of this determinant. That is, these two are surely equal for every value of x. To find the value of A, I put x equal 0 on both sides. Then I will get minus 4 0 0 0 minus 4 0 0 0 and minus 4 equal to a cube. And it is clear from here that the value of A cube is minus 64, that is A is minus 4. Hence A is found. To find the value of B, as just now I told you in the previous method, that compare the coefficient of x cube. Otherwise, alternative, I am going to find the value of B by one more way. You have to remember this way because this concept I use at many places while solving the questions of determinants. According to this way, just like whenever I had to find the value of constant, I put x equals 0 on both sides. Similarly, whenever I have to find the coefficient of maximum power of x, remember that we can use this way also, that divide the whole equation by x cube. That is, if I divide left hand side by x cube, I will get 1 by x cube, x minus 4, 2x and 2x, 2x, x minus 4, 2x, 2x, 2x and x minus 4 equal to a by x plus b into 1 minus a by x whole square. Note the step I am taking here because these are very important steps. These are very useful for solving the questions of determinants at many places. Now, one of the 1 by x I take inside and divide this column by x. Second 1 by x I take inside this and divide this column by x. And third 1 by x I take inside and divide this column by x. I will get 1 minus 4 by x, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 4 by x, 2, 2, 2 and 1 minus 4 by x equal to a by x plus b into 1 minus a by x whole square. And note this point, that to find the value of b, I will take limit as x tends to infinity. The benefit of taking x tends to infinity will be, this term will become 0, this term will become 0, and right hand side will be containing only b, and the left hand side will be 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 1. This is the value of b. This is the value of b. And opening this determinant, I'll get the value of b. And to open this determinant, obviously I will use a transformation that C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. I'll get 5, 5, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 equal to b. This implies that b is equal to 5 times 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Further, for opening any determinant, whenever 3 ones are there, you try to make 2 ones as 0 using the transformations, but that is not very good. The better way of doing this question will be, open the determinant by star method. By star method, directly I can say the result will be 1, plus 4 plus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. That is, answer will be 5.
And now, once A is found, I will tell you two more methods of finding the value of B. As just now I told you, to find the value of A, I had put x equal to 0, and by putting x equal to 0, B was getting cancelled and I was getting the equation in A, and I got the value of A from this equation. Now, because A is already known to us, to find the value of B, let us put x equal to any other number. The next simplest number after 0 is 1. Now, after putting x equal to 1, you will get minus 3, 2, 2, 2, minus 3, 2, 2, 2, minus 3 is equal to A plus B into 1 minus A whole square. But A is already known to us. Therefore, we get minus 4 plus B into 1 plus 4 whole square. That is, right hand side is 25 into minus 4 plus B. Obviously, for opening this determinant, I first use the transformation C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, and hence I will get 1, 1 and 1. 2 minus 3, 2, 2, 2 minus 3 equal to 25 into plus B. And further use the transformation R2 changes to R2 minus R1, and R3 changes to R3 minus R1, and I will get 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 5 equal to 25 into minus 4 plus B. That is, 25 is equal to 25 into minus 4 plus B, implies that minus 4 plus B equal to 1, that is B equal to 5. Now I will tell you another method of finding the value of B. Keeping the star method in mind, in one of the methods I told you to compare the coefficient of x cube. The benefit of taking the coefficient of x cube was the terms containing x cube were very less on both sides. On right hand side, there was only one term containing x cube, and in left hand side, finding the coefficient of x cube was also very easy. Only the star method should be known to you. And now it is easy to see, keeping star method in mind, that if we compare the coefficient of x on both sides, the benefit of taking the coefficient of x will be, after evaluating, there will be only one term which will be containing x, and my calculation will become very simple. In this method, I am going to compare the coefficient of x. It is clear that right hand side is a plus bx into x square plus a square minus 2ax. and left hand side is x minus 4 2x. First see right hand side. You can see very easily that x will come in right hand side only when this will be multiplied by this or when this will be multiplied by this. In no other term x will come. Therefore the coefficient of x in right hand side will be a square b minus 2a square. A is already known to us. And now I will find the coefficient of x. Agreed, I can find the value of b by comparing the coefficient of x square also. But that will not be a good way because a lot of terms in the left hand side will be containing x square. Therefore, that is not good way. And finding all the terms is a lengthy procedure. But there will be only one term in left hand side which will be containing x. This I have been able to see only because I know the star method of opening the determinant, and this star method I have already explained in my theory lecture of this chapter. Clearly, it is easy to see that coefficient of x in left hand side will be 3c 2 minus 4 square, that is 48 is equal to, because a is already known to us as minus 4, 16b minus 32, that is 16b equal to 80, b is equal to 5.